Hi guys, welcome back to Travel's Tutor. Today we're gonna be shopping for Eid and also getting some groceries. There's a lot of decorations in Ramadan. We're going shopping and getting groceries in Al City. It's very beautiful. So stay tuned and and you can also see the Sheikh Khalifa Mosque on our left. So there guys, there's a lot of nice decoration. There's star, moons, lanterns, even like what we call them, those things that launch out there. It just passed by. Those things that launch out, cannons, yeah, cannons. They're big lanterns here, very pretty. Okay guys, this was Alan City Tour. I hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe this video. Press the bell button. Share this to a friend or family. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.